Hello passionate gardener, these are my board beans. You can see how strong the plant is. A lot of beans are coming up, and this is a only single plant. I have planted another one. There is another one small here, so this is the bigger one. You can see how strong, healthy the plant is. So I'll share you today how I have done this massive board bean plant. So I did planting on the October when they start sprouting, and it's stay overwintered. I have not done anything, only water when the summer started or temperature got risen to keep the plant live. And they are live now. I have watered them regularly, use the fertilizer like super phosphate, like high potassium fertilizer. Start with the balanced fertilizer so they are grown optimally, and then use the fertilizer of super phosphate kind of fertilizer. So that giving a lot of fruits. You can see like all the flowers converted into fruits, strong fruits like this. So I'm going to harvest few from here, so they are bigger. So that's going to encourage the more fruiting in this plant. So that's a very key step. Keep removing the fruits, otherwise they're going to be not massive fruits. So even it's 4, keep removing them and find out if something is missed out, otherwise it may weaken the plant. Don't let the plants to store the energy in the fruit longer, and that's going to help you a bigger board bean harvest. Hope that helps. If it does, please give a like. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. Happy gardening, passionate gardener. Bye bye.